ChatGPT has grown to over 100 million users in 2 months. It was already the fastest growing consumer application in history, but this is insane. The large language model from OpenAI was released to the public in November, and it's already showing how AI will transform life as we know it. So I want to cover how to master ChatGPT quickly. I'll show you some cheat sheets and also give you a list of 10 ways you can immediately start implementing it to improve your life and save you time. AI is going to advance exponentially and become more and more integrated with everyday life. It won't replace everyone's jobs right away, but people are good at using AI will. It's easy to get started messing around, and I assume you already have. You just create an account and start typing, and you'll get these incredibly human-like responses to anything you ask. But there's a couple secrets to mastering ChatGPT. First is asking the right questions, and guess what? Perfectly crafted questions for countless topics have already been created, and you can use them for yourself, Mad Lib style. And even better, it's insanely easy. I'll show you exactly how, explain why it works, then give some more secrets. Here's the list of sample prompts, and they demonstrate the first really important concept for improving your questions. They give ChatGPT an identity as an expert in the field you're seeking advice from, just like in real life where you'd seek out an expert in the field you're inquiring about. You can make ChatGPT that expert, set its tone and results in a more comprehensive and focused response. The next factor is you need to define your objective as specifically as possible. So I'll demonstrate with an example. I'll go with something broad. Let's say I want help being healthier. The typical way someone would ask is create a healthy meal plan and exercise routine for the week. And there we go, it's not bad. But now to level that up, I'll type, you are an expert nutritionist, health coach, and personal trainer. Use your knowledge of exercise science, nutrition advice, supplements, and other relevant factors in order to create a suitable plan for me. I am a 30-year-old fit male. My goal is to lose some weight while focusing on increasing muscle mass. I would also like to optimize for longevity. Write me a meal plan and exercise routine for the week. You can see how much better this response is with the extra protein and calories in a meal plan, and instead of mostly cardio-based workouts, it uses a lot more strength-oriented workouts. And because of the identity, it adds some additional information, the reasoning behind its sources and stuff like that. There's a massive list of prompts just like this for tons of scenarios. I have it linked down in the description. It's completely free. I'm not affiliated in any way, I'm just a fan. You can also use that link to download the desktop version of the app. Definitely recommend that, and I could go over more examples to drive this point home, but it's more helpful to do that on your own. You might have noticed I didn't copy and paste most of the prompts. I could have used like the personal trainer one. The concepts are simple, so with a little practice, you can write one that caters much more to your specific scenario. ChatGPT remembers the entire conversation with each chat, so it will still be acting as that same expert, but with any additional info you may have provided. To refine this answer, you could say I'm lactose intolerant, or provide that in a format that includes the calories and price for our meal plan, or only use bodyweight exercises I can do at home, creating shopping lists for me, boom. The templates cover a lot of topics, and just reading through them can give you a lot of ideas on how to craft your own. So just get going, experiment, and refine your own style. Depending on what the conversation is about, there are tons of follow-up prompts you can use to refine ChatGPT's answers. Some really useful ones are explain like I'm 5 years old, compile this to an actionable list, summarize this into a tweet, write this in the perspective of a partner, a friend, a customer, pirate, make this more formal or informal, add some humor, sarcasm, or format this as a table, bullet points, etc. There are countless use cases for this that can save you time and optimize your life. Some simple ones are for writing, essays, copy, emails, texts, homework, songs, books, really anything. You can input any style you want to compose those in. You can also feed it a lot of your own writings and tell it to compose any of those in that same style. Write a loving text to my girlfriend that sounds like me. Recommendations for things like products, books, songs. I like this book or this product. What's another similar one I might like? Brainstorming is huge. Business ideas, titles, writing prompts, YouTube videos. And it's the ideas that comes back with seem bland or generic. I like to add the other requirements that the ideas should be unique or conventional. You can even use it for coding. It can save you massive amounts of time for writing or troubleshooting code. Another one I like a lot is simplifying complex topics like books, lectures, or articles. You can just copy a long article and paste in there and then ask it to summarize it for you. You can give it some bullet points, or you can give it the title of a self-help book, and you can say, give me a list of 5 actionable insights from this book, things like that. recommendations around health, exercise, or mental health. There's tons of ways to apply that to your life. It's great for recipes. You could list some ingredients you have on hand and ask it for recipes that use only those ingredients. Shopping lists, you can just write what meals you want to make and tell it to make you a grocery list with the items you'll need. Basically, any question you would typically Google, it will usually get you the answer more quickly, but it'll analyze a bunch of sites and give you the most relevant info. Just remember that this is a tool. Use it to save you time, but it's not perfect. You need to use your own judgment to know what to use and when to fact check. It's here to stay, and over the next 5 to 10 years, maybe less, those that are competent and confident in using AI and implementing it into their life and work will probably get further ahead in their personal profession and probably even romantic lives. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, make sure to leave a like for the YouTube algorithm. I really appreciate it. Subscribe so you never miss when I upload, and good luck on your financial journey. I'll be watching.